Calling all cars, we got another victim. Cause my love has become an affliction. What did you expect from me? What did you expect from me?
Solids. Solids are the first step of each phase change. For example, a solid can be a rock. This is a macro view of a rock. And this is also a rock, but this is a micro view. You can tell the differences because this rock is just what you see in a rock, and this is what is actually inside of a rock. Each object and each thing that you picked out, like for example, this piece of paper or this rock, has tightly wound molecules inside. They're tightly compact together, slightly vibrating, making a solid. Like you might not be able to tell, but that rock is technically moving inside. And another example is when a solid will always hold its shape unless purposely broken or ripped apart, like that.
Hey yo, Sean, you Mr. Kingston.
Liquids. It's in between compact and not compact at all. Liquid is the middle between the two matters, like a solid and a gas. A solid is more compact, and a gas is not even compact at all, it's just moving around. But a liquid isn't as compact as a solid because it's still moving around, not as much as a gas, but it's still moving. A liquid is like water. Water comes from a sink. The sink pours out the water into a cup. And then the water takes the shape of the cup. Water can take shape of any container if it is properly placed in that container. Also, it is difficult to compress liquids because the atoms are already close together, so it's hard to get them closer. So, this is a micro view of water. This shows the water molecules of how they're not completely compact together, but how they are still moving and how they are still sort of compact together. And it shows how the water takes the shape of the cup. Also, this is a real cup of water. As you can see, the water took the shape of the cup very nicely. And however the cup moves, the water moves with the cup because it takes the shape of the cup.
Yeah. Chitty bang, and we pretty much amazing. Can we hear your new song, please? I got you.
Gas is the last stage of each of the three phase changes. Gas is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is also known as CO2, and it's in the air you breathe. A gas is like a balloon. You blow air into the balloon, which means you blow carbon dioxide gas inside the balloon. A gas takes shape like a container, just like a liquid. As you can see, the gas fills the balloon, which takes shape. This is what a micro view of a gas looks like. Gas is the hottest of each of the phase changes. Gas molecules aren't tightly compacted or loosely compacted. They are bouncing all around, and gases also have random groups of atoms.
I came to dance, 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 dance. I hit the floor cause that's my plans. I'm wearing all my favorite brands.
These are all the states of matter. A solid, a liquid, and a gas. This is nitrous oxide. So liquid, this is water. Water takes the shape of a cup and is not as compact as a solid, but is not as loose as a gas. This is a solid. It's a rock. Very compact as you can see. Very, very, very compact. So it's not loose at all, but it's barely vibrating in there. Rock. Now, these state of phase changes. When a solid, for example ice, hits its melting point, the solid will turn into water. water, or if you had a solid like a rock, once it hits its melting point, it'll turn into something else, like a melted rock. But if you have ice, it'll turn into water. Also, this is a solid, and this is a liquid. When the liquid hits its freezing point, it turns into solid like ice. Next is a gas. Gas is its own. It can sort of be made by a liquid being overheated or something like that. But gas is turned into plasma by making it 3 times more gas, and then you get positive and negative charged electrons, which turns it into plasma. A solid, a liquid, and a gas. Carbon dioxide gas.
Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah.
This is a gas, and what we were shooting at Zach, I will show you in a second, it is a solid. Once it hits Zach's back, that's all the way down there, it will become a liquid. Go.
Oh, it's tailing on me. Hold on.
He's missing.
Hold on. Hopper fail.
No.
I'm feeling like a star, you can't stop my shine. I'm vibing cloud 9, my head's in the sky. I'm solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, solo. Yeah, I'm feeling good tonight. Finally doing me and it feels so right. Oh, time to do the things I like.